We all want to travel to certain places, whether it's just few kilometers away or across the globe. Ultimately, we seek to have fun and indulge in experiences that resonate our passions. For us, overlanding and car camping have captured our hearts. These are among the best ways to travel and spend quality time with friends and nature. The thrill of discovering new locations, meeting like-minded individuals, sipping coffee in the morning air, and savoring delicious food makes every trip memorable. That's why we organized the simple yet fulfilling trip to Tiwi Albay, Philippines. It was designed as a car and moto camping adventure. But we didn't want just to head straight to our campsite. Instead, we aimed to embrace the spirit of overlanding throughout the journey. After gathering at the municipal hall in Tiwi, we set off to visit Turuan Church. This stop was not just for formality. It allowed us to pause, pray, and express the gratitude for our blessings and the safety of our group before embarking on our adventure. Once we finished at the church, we cruised along the winding roads where the geothermal power plants are located. The scenic views and unique landscape were part of experiencing Tiwi's charm. It felt enriching to appreciate the blend of nature and technology, reflecting on how both coexist in this vibrant community. Our next stop was San Bernardo Elementary School, where we brought school supplies and snacks for the students. Participating in an outreach program like this is essential for us. Witnessing the smiles on the children's faces as they receive our donations was truly priceless. It reminded us of the impact we can have and the importance of giving back to the community that welcomes us. After our heartwarming visit, we headed to our campsite, guided by the barangay officials and tanod sa Barangay San Bernardo. Upon reaching the campsite, we pitched our tent and set up our canopy. Feeling sense of accomplishments, our base came together in this beautiful natural setting. One of the most anticipated moments of the trip arrived when Suzuki Auto Albay showcased the new Suzuki Jimny 5-door. The chance to test drive it in rugged terrain was exhilarating. The Jimny impressed us with its capabilities and features as an off-road vehicle. As someone who owns an older model car, I was particularly drawn to the Jimny's three-link axle front and rear design, which is a feature I truly appreciate. It's fascinating to see how advancements in technology enhance the driving experience while still maintaining that rugged charm. As the day transitions into night, we gathered for camaraderie, sharing stories and laughter. We also held a raffle with the prizes from our generous sponsors, adding an extra layer of excitement to our evening. It was a tiring day filled with exploration and joy, but the sense of community and adventure kept our spirits high. As the stars began to twinkle overhead, we knew this was the night we should cherish. The following morning, as the dawn broke, we decided to head to the riverside for some refreshing moments. The cool water was a perfect way to wash off the previous day's adventures and to rejuvenate ourselves for what lay ahead. We relished our last few hours of camping, soaking in the tranquility of nature and reflecting on the experiences we had shared. With hearts full of gratitude and excitement, we look forward to our next adventure, eager to create more memories that will last a lifetime.